Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to continue on with our Sqlite series. So alright, last time we learned how to initiate a database. We created a connection object, and we closed it, and that literally, since it wasn't created, it created a student.db file. So now we need to learn how to create a table. So all right, that's the jargon. That's the terminology. So you have a database, then inside that database you have tables, and those hold rows and columns. So all right. So now we need to learn how to create a table, and then next time we'll learn how to write to it, and then we'll just build upon this. So all right, last time we saw how to create a connection object, which you have to create a connection object first. Now I hinted that we also need to then create a cursor object to literally, for all intents and purposes, create a cursor of what to do inside the database. So let's just go ahead and do that now. So connection.cursor. Okay, it's just like that, and we can double check and confirm with our con object cursor, and return a cursor for the connection. Boom. So let's put that into memory. Then let's look at help.cur. So okay. Sqlite database cursor class. Let's run dir on cur. Okay, here's important. This method, execute. This is where all the work is done. So kind of like we create our connection object, we create our cursor object. Here's where the heavy lifting is done. So cur.execute. Okay, executes. So it's a method, cursor instance, executes SQL statements. Now we get down to it. So cur.execute. Now, if you've never dealt with SQL, this can be a little unnerving at first. So now, to make this clear and readable, we're going to do this on multiple lines, and we know how to deal with Python in multiple lines. So okay, this is create table student. Now here's where it gets a little goofy. First, so these are the SQL instructions: create table, and then now the name of the table, and text, comma, last text, and then let's close this out, and then boom, boom, boom. So how many do I have here? I have too many. There we go. Okay, let's unpack this for a minute. This is the name of my table. This is the name of the first column, and it's the type of data is text, last text. So all right, in other languages, you have to tell it. Unlike Python understands what type of information you're giving it when you give it, but other languages like to be told what it is. So this is exactly what we do. Boom and boom. So then now here's the next last important thing. We have a ton of stuff with our cursor object, and my goodness. Then for our connection, let's back out one. We have to commit to it. So, okay. You step into it one more, do what you want to do, then start stepping out. So con commit. Does that make sense? Then we close our connection. All right. Oops. Let's see where I'm. There we go. Boom. I have created my table. And next time, trust me, bear with me, we'll show how to do it, because this covered a lot of things. Cursor object, execute, then a connection commit method. So this is how we create a table in excuse me, in Sqlite using Python. So there we go. A little bit longer than I wanted to be today, but as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.